Going on, it's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be looking at the Google Chromecast with Google TV. No more Android TV for this one. It's Google TV. So it's a small form factor. You know how it is. It's very small. So let's get into this. Alright, so with the Google TV, you could do anything like Android TV. It's not like before. This has a theme screen where you could do anything you want, just like a Google TV. So let's open it up and let's see what we get inside. Alright, so we open it up and you get the dongle on this side. So let's see how the dongle looks. Oh, let's put this side, the dongle on the side, and then the control, which is amazing. Then it gives you the starter booklet. Oh, I didn't know. Okay. Oh, I see. So they give you a power plug. I'm always in need of power plugs for some reason. I don't know why. USB. Then they give you a white USB-A to USB-C, which is amazing. They also give you batteries for the remote. Not bad at all. I wasn't expecting all this, to be honest with you. Pretty dope, pretty dope. So let's open up the dongle and let's see how it looks. Well, we know how it looks, but I just want to see how small it is. Oh, it's nice and slick. They have two different colors, which is a pinkish and a bluish. I forgot what the pink is called, but the blue I think is called Sky, if I'm not mistaken. And the remote. Oh, this is real nice. Oh man, this is nice and small. It takes two AAA batteries. Oof. Well, lucky for me that I have chargeable batteries. I'm also leave that down below. They both go negative to positive, both the same side, so you're not gonna get confused. It's nice. It's a good feeling. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it up. So let's go upstairs. So we first put the power plug in the socket. Then you try to figure out which USB you're gonna use, which I'm gonna use this bottom one. So I'm gonna just plug it in here. I hope y'all can see it. Oh, there you go. It's a little better. Plug it in there, and then with the wire, I'm gonna plug it in real quick through the power. See if I can do it one-handed. Okay, so I plugged it in. So now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna route this wire that you really can't see it. So let me see what I could do. All right, so I managed to route the wire through there with the little cover. And if I'm stepping back here, I really can't see nothing. So now is the time to set everything up. All right, so to set everything up, you gotta go to setup device. Hope this looks good. Set up new device in your home. Then you hit home. Make sure your GPS is on to scan this part. So it's gonna be looking for a new device. So it's gonna be the first one. It's gonna be the Chromecast. And then hit next. And then hit the scan. Allow. Then you go to the TV. You scan it, and it's gonna be connecting. So it might take a little bit. So I'll be back. Oh, there you go. It's connecting. So after you're done setting everything up, it's gonna update everything. So you have to have a Google account and a Google Home app downloaded on your phone also. So it should be easy, not difficult. Like I said, this is great for a TV that doesn't have a lot of smart TV capability. You can only use like the max like 3 or 4, or it be lagging, and you want something to be consistent and also able to Chromecast anything you want to your TV. This has to be the best thing. And for 50 bucks, it ain't that bad. So now it's asking me to set up the remote control. So a nice little remote control. So we're just gonna hit set it up. It says set up the volume, choosing control. That's TV. So we're gonna go. Oh yes, it works. Let's press yes. Next, we're gonna set up the power, the power button, which be perfect if we could. Oh man, I'm excited now. Now I'm happy. Let's see if we could turn it off. Let's see, press once. That's dope. That's dope. So I don't even need the other control. Oh, I'm happy. We turn it on. Yes, it did work. Nice. So now it's gonna install all the apps that I did ask for on my phone. When you go set it up, it's gonna set it up now, which is pretty dope also. So I'm gonna fast forward this. So let's do that. So after all waiting and doing all the setup, man, I'm amazed. I'll be honest with you. I'm amazed. And the good thing about this, let me turn on the light real quick. This control is very simple. Power up and down button there, the back button, the Google Assistant, the home, the mute, YouTube, Netflix, power up. I don't know which button is this. Let's see what this button does. Doesn't do nothing right now. So let's go to home. Just remember, guys, this is day one. So they're gonna be a lot of updates to make everything possible. But if you're planning to get the Google TV, Chromecast, Android TV, you can still call it Android TV because it still has the feeling, but they want to change it up to Google TV. This is worth buying. I can't really explain how happy I am that with this control, I could TV volume, not the Android TV volume. I could put it up and down. I could turn off the TV on. Definitely dope. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. That means a lot to me. I'm going to leave a link down below where you could buy this. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.